Oh, did we ever get a winter storm last night? Phantom, my guard dog. Oh my goodness, look at this deck. Mama's got some shoveling to do. Right, Phantom? It's Monday. And we sure got our snow this year. Great for skiing, Phantom. And great for rolling in the snow and making snow angels. Right, Phantom? Are you Mama's guard dog? Let him do his job, Phantom, so Mama can get out of the driveway. Phantom. It's okay, boo-boo. He's got to clean. He's got to clean. Welcome to Canada. Montreal, anyway, the Laurentian area. We sure got snow, and I have a happy bear. Are you happy? Mama's happy. Skiing conditions are going to be awesome. Phantom, you want to come skiing with Mama? You want to come skiing with Mama? We'll go tonight. The conditions are nice. We're going tonight. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And welcome to Phantom's world. Okay. Come, Phantom. Come here. Inside. Come on. No. Cheers from Montreal, everyone. Stay safe. What's up? Who's that?